It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday night. I am back with an iconic Avon product. I'm so excited. Look what came back, you guys. The Avon Skin Softener little pots here. These are so much fun. I don't know if they're just back for Christmas, if they're going to be back permanently, but there are currently, I think, 8 of them. Oh my goodness. Yes, there are 8. And they do have them in the classic scent. So I'm going to go through these with you. I'm so excited. It's funny. Avon Christmas is just phenomenal this year. I've been playing with my Eiffel Tower perfume. I can't get enough. If you are just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. All of my information is below. If you want to get on my e-coupon list, I have a link to my blog. Definitely get on the list because there's so much good stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys. So, Avon Skin Softener. Who remembers these? These are like such an iconic part of my life. I always remember having them. They're the perfume skin softeners. And how many ounces are these? They are 5 ounces. Check it out. Night Magic. Oh my gosh. Total classic scent. One of my favorites. It's Neroli, Jasmine, and Musk. Check it out. It's even blue. It's got like a blue hue to it. Can't tell if my light's very good. Look at that. It's got like a blue hue. So you just take a little bit out, and you can kind of rub it on your wrist. You can use these all over. It's just basically a skin softener. It's a perfumed skin softener. Oh, that smells so good. They smell amazing too. They are only $3.99 currently in campaign 23. It says they're regularly $8, so they're basically like half off. So now's the time to stock up and get these for the holidays. So I have Night Magic. I have Timeless, you guys, another one of my favorites. This is Warm and Exotic, Cardamom, Jasmine, and Patchouli. This is a bright white. I love patchouli. Anything with patchouli in it is super appealing to me. Let me use a different arm. I'm going to smell really good, you guys. Oh, I can smell the patchouli in there. This one smells really good. I love Timeless. Timeless is such a classic. Reminds me of junior high. Check that out. Little pot. Sweet Honesty. I know a lot of people here love the Sweet Honesty scent. Sweet Honesty is the Warm and Dreamy. It's Lily of the Valley, Rose and Cedarwood. This one is a little bit perfumey for me, but I still like it. It's you can smell that rose in there. It definitely reminds me of high school. Oh my gosh. I think everyone in the, like, this is like permeated throughout the hallways when I was in high school, the Sweet Honesty. These are awesome for just, you know, it'd be fun if you got like one of your girlfriends one of these for like Christmas, a little basket of these. And the next one is, oh my gosh, you guys, Candid. Oh, I love Candid. I don't know which one I love most. I love them all. Candid is, oh, I just clicked on Amari. I need to get the Amari, by the way. Candid is Warm and Exotic. It's bergamot, tuberose, and again with the patchouli, which I love. I think I like the Candid the best in this one. Oh my gosh. Candid is amazing. They also come in Far Away. They come in Haiku, Amari, and Odyssey. I just ordered Odyssey. I have to get Amari next. But like I said, these are $3.99. These would make such a cute Secret Santa gift. You could like get 3 of them for what, like $12? How awesome would this look like in a little gift pack? You know, for a Secret Santa or girlfriend. I think these are so cute. I love them. I'm getting way too excited about my Avon skin softeners. Anyway, let me know your favorite below. And if you have any questions, post them in the comment section. If you'd like to order these, I will put the link below in the video. You have to click see more where YouTube is, or you can go to my blog, www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com, and all my links are on there. I'm actually going to do a blog post about these. I love them so much. I'm so excited. So anyway, I hope everyone has an awesome Saturday night, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye-bye.